What if we could totally transform the way clothing works for us and at the same time reduce the amount of pollution resulting from the fashion industry? Hi, I'm Ryan, the founder of material technology company Petit Pli. Our origin is actually my nephew Viggo, and when he was born I gifted him a top, but by the time it arrived in Denmark he'd already outgrown it. And that served as a signal for me to start to tackle excessive waste within the fashion industry by designing clothes that grow with children. Children grow 7 sizes in their first 2 years on Earth, but a single Petit Pli garment will grow through the same age range. My background in aeronautical engineering focused on deployable structures for satellites. And I used that research and applied it to childrenswear to create childrenswear that deployed out in a very similar way to actually mimic the growth of the child over time. To date, since commercializing in 2019, we've amassed over 6,000 orders worldwide in over 65 countries around the world, and we've paired with a super innovative, sustainable factory in Portugal that derives all of its energy from renewable sources. We've secured over £400,000 in grant funding, much of which has come from Innovate UK. We've used this funding to grow our team and to invest in research and development to allow us to pivot into different market categories. And the proof of concept went on to win the UK James Dyson Award, the Dezeen Awards for wearable technology, beating Google, and the Red Dot Design Award, as well as the H&M Global Change Award. We've already expanded beyond childrenswear. Our face covering even won Time's Best Inventions of 2020. Wherever there are needs and challenges within the wearable sector, Petit Pli will be there, applying our human-centric methodologies and interdisciplinary team to tackle those challenges. Our D2C capabilities actually allowed us to grow our revenue in the 2021 financial year by 10 times over the preceding year. Our weighted average cost per acquisition over the last 12 months was £9, and our LTV over the same period was over £120. With the global childrenswear market being £290 billion worldwide, the opportunities for growth are clear. Our earth isn't inherited from our elders, it's actually borrowed from our children. We'd love you to come on board and join us in clothing the future of humanity. We're just starting with the next generation.
My name is Christopher Morris, the co-founder and managing partner of Sustainable Ventures, and formerly the founder and managing director of the UK's first crowd-funded business to deliver a successful exit for shareholders, eCar Club. I'm also delighted to be one of the first investors into Petit Pli, courtesy of our Sustainable Accelerator. Ryan and the team have constantly exceeded expectations, building a best-in-class supply chain, winning countless awards, and more recently, not only surviving through, but thriving in one of the most difficult environments we've ever seen during the pandemic. The business now is well positioned for rapid growth, and we believe to deliver both significant impact and an attractive return to shareholders. One of the things that first attracted us to Petit Pli as an opportunity is the IP-led nature of the business. You don't see many companies of this kind in the circular economy or the fashion industry more broadly that have IP at their core and therefore a protectable position in the market. We believe this will stand the company in good stead as it looks to not only scale but maintain a valuable position in the market. Whenever assessing an investment opportunity, I'm led equally by impact and the prize of an attractive financial return. In Petit Pli, I think there is an opportunity to have your low carbon cake and eat it, and I believe their impact will be significant and that they will deliver a financial return to investors in the years to come.